Good morning. I'm here in front of you because I'm not in the back. I'm standing here because I'm not sitting. Before I start my speech, I like to finish it. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, especially to Sir Palaculos. Before I start my speech, may you kiss the bride. Joke. Let's listen to me, especially boys. I know my speech is entertainment.
Morning is the Alim House.
Good morning. Who is speaking, please?
This is Rehan.
Oh, Rehan. This is Alim. What is up?
I just wanted to ask if you would like to come visit this afternoon.
Oh, what the time?
4 o'clock, 2 p.m.
Okay, I am coming.
Okay, then see you this afternoon.
See you this afternoon.
Up at 6 o'clock. After that, I met my I had a day in my lab 5.00 at I wake up 10:30 of the bedroom. After in of my room, I took a shower and it was not untidy. After penalty, I was throatness and dry taste splutness. After washing splutnessy chalk foot and was dishes. After choking went for a while and had snack. After walking I went home and the house was dirty. After going home play on my cell phone and I did videos. After editing take video then at afternoon. After editing in the afternoon I
Excuse me, could you help me with my motorcycle, please?
What is wrong with it?
Cycle got a flat tire. Could you possibly fix this?
Just give me a few minutes.
Okay, thank you.